Don't you just hate it when you're walking in the woods and you have your flashlight, and then all of a sudden this happens? Or something like that? Well, let's bring it into the light here. We have a flashlight that broke on us.
It's waterproof, too.
So Matt and I
Waterproof.
decided
Made in China.
we needed to do something about it. So,
Play golf with them.
yeah. Sorry. I'm kind of sick here, but, yeah. So, we got our redneck light here.
And our redneck golf club.
And,
recycle stuff. And
let's recycle this flashlight.
I think it's time to get this
The
thing out of
redneck
here. That's
way.
5 years of having this POS. 5 years.
Yeah, that's gone. There's the actual light right there.
In the picture yard.
Wait,
Comes the POS car. Oh, where's the other piece? Where's the other half? What's doing over here?
And, oh, yeah, there it is.
Oh, there she is. Look at that, baby. All cracked. So we can just do one more hit with her.
Okay.
One more time. So we can get her out of here.
Where'd the batteries go? I think they went flying. Yeah, there were. I put batteries in there before.
Oh, that's right. Oh, yeah, there was batteries. They're gone.
Alright.
Alright, time to
Picture.
say bye-bye.
Go.
Oh. Whoa, that went a long way.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is too far for me to go get.
It's way over here. Wait, stay there, Thomas. I'm gonna hit it back.
Of course he is. He's kind of special if you haven't noticed yet. But,
Oh, yeah. Hold it here. Hold it down here. That's just amazing.
alright.
4.
Alright, so yeah. Redneck Recycling, recycle a flashlight.